Hey everyone, Matt back here. Back with a mystery models haul. We're going to open up a few packs of mystery models, see what we get out of them. I'm going to get the camera turned around and we will get right into it. So as I said, this is a mystery models haul. Don't know, didn't count how many I picked up. There's a few. There might be some doubles in here. I don't know. I know there's a way to read the code on the back of these, but I don't want to do that on these. I kind of do want to be surprised when opening these up. I know you can feel the car in them too as well. We're going to get right into it. What series is this one? It's got the Corvette, so I believe this is series 2 for the year. I'm not sure. But we're getting into it. So, I'm going to make sure everything is down at the end. The sticker and the car. I don't want to hurt the sticker. I do like the stickers. So, we're going to chop off the top here. Oh, do that. Pull out the sticker first. Number 2, let's see. This is the 33 for the Lowboy, it says on here. Number 3 of the setup here. So this is I believe the 3rd chase piece of the set. So happy to add it to the collection. Really nice looking car. Do have a few other Lowboys in the collection. This just adds to it. I definitely may need to make a video on just the 33 Lowboys. These are nice. So we'll set that back up over here. Let's go with this one here. Let's see, everything is at the bottom. I need to get a new pair of scissors. Pairs. There we go. Garbage. Pull out our sticker first. Looks like we have, I like the sticker. That one says Bone Shaker. Looks like we have the Bone Shaker. I think I picked up this, there was a Bone Shaker in another mystery set. I picked that one up as well, so that just adds to the Bone Shakers. This one is an open top. I think the other one was a closed top. I'm not sure. I can't remember right offhand. I might have to go look when I might go look through all that stuff. So there's the Bone Shaker out of there. Happy to add that one to the collection. Let's see what, you know what, let's see. Okay, so if, no, but let's turn it this way. Okay, so number 4 would have an 04 on the back of it. And if I have a double of something, I may not open it. And the had a 3, so you know what? We're gonna open them anyway. What the hell? They are just mystery models. But that's the code you would find on the back of them. Pop this one open. Pull out our sticker. Looks like we have another Bone Shaker. That's cool. Another Bone Shaker. Let's go with this one. Got our scissors here. That should be good enough to rip the top. There we go. We'll pull out our sticker. Wow, another Bone Shaker. That's 3 Bone Shakers. Let's pull this one. Okay. And we'll pull out this sticker. Looks like a Volkswagen Beetle. It's the number 1 out of the mystery set. That's cool. So we got the Beetle. We got number 1 and number 3. I wonder what one this will be. Because I think the Corvette was number 2, the Little Boy is number 3, and the Beetle's number 1. Which is that question mark right in the middle there. Get that in off. Yes, I did. Alright, we got that. Let's pull out our sticker. Hey, it's another Volkswagen. So we got 2 number 1s. 3 bone shakers. What we got here. Pull that. Pull out our sticker. Another 33 Little Boy. So we got 2. Let's see what we got in this one. Pull out our sticker first, because it does say the car. Ooh, it looks like we got the 72 Corvette Stingray out of this one. So we got all 3. 1, 2, 3 of the hunt cars out of this. We got doubles of the Little Boy and the Bug. 3 of the Bone Shaker. Let's see what's in this one. Looks like we got another 72 Corvette. So we got doubles of 1, 2, and 3, and 3 of the Bone Shaker. That is pretty good. So I managed to find these the other day at my local Walmart when I was out looking around. Happy to add them all to my collection. I will talk to y'all later.